found out about can earn you over $700 using this method. Now, you can use this method today to earn yourself some free PayPal money. Of course, there are still some other payment options here on this website, but I'm pretty sure that almost everybody in the make money online niche prefer using PayPal. So this is really ideal to everyone out there who's looking to make money online, because the steps that we're going to follow today are beginner friendly and very easy, and actually can be done in less than 10 minutes of work. In this video, I will show you guys how you can earn a lot of money with this income stream. Now, literally anyone can set this up. This income stream, you do not need to make videos of yourselves, you don't need any social media following, and you actually don't need any social media profile. In fact, this method can be done completely from the comfort of your own home. So you do not have to go outside and do physical labor, you can just earn at home. Now, just like almost all the other methods that we post on this channel, this method is 100% free, and you don't have to pay or deposit any money at all. Also, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN and all of that, because this method will work no matter where you are from. In this video, I will give you guys a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up this awesome income stream method. Now, I want you guys to listen to this video very attentively, because if you miss some of the steps that I will show you, you might actually end up wasting your time and not make money at all. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of the video, because I'll drop some secret tips and tricks that you can use with this method. But before we start, hello everyone and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click that notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns or questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. We reply to every single comment. Now, as you guys can see right here on their website, you can get paid through PayPal, and if for some reason you don't want to use PayPal, then you can also go and get paid through Payeer or RTM. So whichever option is most convenient to you, you have the power to decide how you'll get paid, and that's really cool. So for example, you want to use PayPal, then you can just set it so that the website will pay the money directly into your PayPal account. And then once you have at least $5 in your account, you can cash out your money and spend it on whatever you want to. So it's really convenient and better compared to other websites, because other websites will require you to have at least $10 or maybe even $20 in your account before you can actually withdraw your earnings. So right now I'm going to show you guys proof that people around the world are using this method, that they are actually earning real money. Now, as you guys see here on this webpage, there are a lot of people who have cash on this website, and as you can see, their withdrawals range from $5 to even $100. So you can immediately tell that this is an actual legit website. And basically scroll down here to the bottom of the webpage, there are over 3,000 pages of people who have cashed out using this website. So there are a lot of people out there who have made money using this method that I'm going to teach you today. I know what you guys are wondering about right now. What is this amazing website and how can we get to it? Well, the website that we are going to be using today is this one right over here called Exe.io. You guys can very quickly head on over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in the URL. Now, this website right here can be used both by your mobile device and your computer, so you can use any device that you have right now. But I'm curious guys, what type of device are you watching from right now? Comment down below what type of device you are using, like is it a computer or a smartphone? And if it's a smartphone, is it an Android or it's an Apple device? But at this point, you might also be wondering, what is this Exe.io website? And how does it work? And more importantly, how can we make money from this website? This is one of those websites that you can use to shorten your links, and every time people click on these links, you'll earn yourself some money. Now, don't worry guys, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN, because this method today works from anywhere around the world. So no matter where you are from right now, this will work for you. So as you guys can see down here, it says shorten and get paid in 3 easy steps. Exe.io makes you shorten and track your links. In addition, it rewards you for every single link at the same time. So down here are the 3 very simple and easy steps that you guys have to follow to earn yourself a lot of money. So for the first step, you want to create your first Exe.io account so you can get all the great features for free. So to create your account, all you have to do is look for this sign up button right here. Now that will take you to this page right over here where they will ask you for your personal information. So you guys can just fill this up like you would with any other websites. And once you're done with that, you can now start earning money with Exit.io. And that is pretty much it for step number 1. So now we are going to move on to step number 2. You can shorten your links using any tool that you want. Now at this point you might be wondering, where will we get these links to shorten? Wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post videos every day on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys make an extra passive income stream from online methods. I put a lot of efforts into these videos and into the research that goes behind it to make sure that each and every one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it, guys, if you help us out and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, liking and commenting will help us tremendously. Now let's get back into the video. I want you guys to just head over to Google and I want you to search for different articles and blog posts that you think people would be interested in reading. Don't worry, because you don't actually have to own your own article website. You just need to search for these articles online, so you can just head on over to Google and search for some interesting titles like Top 10 Hidden Paradises on Earth and then hit enter. As you can see, Google will give me a result of a list of hidden paradises on Earth. So this right here is one of the articles that I want you guys to look for. And once you have found an article that you think people will find interesting, I want you to just go ahead and right click on that link and then look for this option right here that says copy link address. Now that will copy the link of this article right here into your clipboard. Now if you have already signed up for an account on Exit.io, once you log in, you'll be sent to this dashboard website right here. So I want you guys to just click on this create link button right here, and then a pop-up box will appear. And then I want you to paste your link here and then click on create. Now the website will then generate a link for you, and then you can just go ahead and copy that link. Now you can then share this link to your friends or maybe post it on a social media app captioned with something like learn more about top 10 hidden paradises on Earth. And then once people start clicking on your link, you will start earning money into your PayPal account. And that is the end of the video today. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Also, leave a like and drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video as always. Take care.